Hey, it's Rachel with WTI, and I wanted to tell you about a product that I love to use. I'm so picky when it comes to sunscreen on my face. I find I'll start sweating and it really irritates my eyes and I can't stand it. So that's why I've been using the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch. My husband as well, he's very picky with sunscreen. This is 55 and we both like that it doesn't irritate our skin or our eyes and it doesn't feel greasy. You just need a little bit and it goes on so nicely. It rubs in really nice. It doesn't leave a white cast like so many sunblocks do. And if we do start sweating, it doesn't bother our eyes. Another great thing about this is that it doesn't have a strong scent either. So if you're someone that is very easily irritated by sunblocks or the chemicals that are in sunblocks, maybe with your eyes or the smell, I would try using Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch. I really like how it goes on. I like that it's not greasy, it goes right into my skin, and it doesn't feel like I have sunscreen on, and it doesn't have that crazy smell to it. I'd highly recommend this product. It's something that I've bought before in the past and I'll continue to buy. And that's my point of view.